In order for applications to function properly, we must have the required hardware. This includes the physical components of the computer, like the central processing unit or the hard drive. We also must have the proper software to communicate and give instructions to the hardware. I have Microsoft support pulled up so we can take a look at some of the requirements needed to install a Windows 10 system. We can see the minimum processor speed, RAM, and hard drive space, and so on. We won't go through each requirement right now because what I want you to realize is that hardware and software requirements may be different depending on what you are installing on your computer. If you are considering installing Windows 10, then you should spend some time reading through each of these requirements. No matter which plan you choose to install, knowing the necessary requirements will ensure that your applications function properly. The requirements are commonly found within the company's website, like we found on the Microsoft website. You can also use a search engine to locate this information if you aren't sure of the company or the website you need to go to. I'll open Google and search for Microsoft Office requirements. I'll select the first result, Microsoft.com. I want to view the system requirements for Office 2019 suites, so I'll select it from the list. If I scroll down, we can see the Windows requirements. These are the minimum system requirements for the software to install and operate. In addition to the minimum requirements, manufacturers often provide recommended system requirements. Recommended requirements aren't necessary for the software to function, but are ideal if you are looking to get the best experience using the software. Another thing we need to determine is which hardware platform we should use. This is important because each hardware platform has its own machine language. This requires all software used on the computer to have the same binary coded machine language. This is a language made up of binary digits, which are ones and zeros. This allows the hardware and software to communicate and work together. Hardware and software with the same binary language is required for an application to function.